Ever wondered how the classroom of 2030 will look like? Let's ponder on the current state of our education. Envision a classroom filled with children, a teacher at the front, textbooks open, chalk dust in the air, and a student-to-teacher ratio that leaves little room for personalized attention. The traditional teaching methods we've come to know, while effective, have their limitations. Now imagine a future where education is no longer confined to these traditional methods. Welcome to the classroom of 2030. Imagine a world where education is not one-size-fits-all. Technology, particularly artificial intelligence, is poised to revolutionize teaching methods. AI can tailor instruction to each child's unique learning style, creating personalized learning pathways. It can also offer immersive, interactive experiences that make lessons come alive. Moreover, AI can help manage larger classes, ensuring every student gets the attention they need. Doesn't that sound like an exciting future for our children? AI is not just a buzzword, it's the future of education. Picture a classroom where each student's unique learning style is catered to, where instant feedback is a given, and learning becomes an engaging, fun-filled experience. That's the power of AI in education. It's not about replacing teachers, oh no. It's about empowering them, giving them the tools to better understand their students, to enhance their teaching methods, and to make the classroom a more inclusive space. AI is not replacing teachers, but empowering them. Education in 2030 is not a distant dream, but an achievable reality. The time is ripe for educators and parents alike to gear up for this transformative era. It's crucial to introduce children to artificial intelligence tools, not merely as futuristic concepts, but as everyday learning companions. Fostering their ability to harness these tools effectively will be the key to unlocking unprecedented learning potential. The future of education is here, and it's time we embrace it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more AI videos.